Hello friends, welcome to Dano Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we're going to discuss our third question. What is that? Here, DEF are the midpoints of the sides BC, AC and AB in the given triangle ABC. Then what is that? Find the ratio of areas triangle DEF and triangle ABC. We have to find the ratios of areas of these two triangles, that is DEF and ABC. So first of all, before going to solve this, we need to know that two triangles should be similar to each other. Then only you can take, so similar to each other, then only you can write the areas ratios. So what they are given here, what we have to find it. So given that, let's write it, given DEF are midpoints, DEF are the midpoints of, so AB, AC and BC respectively. So these are the midpoints of AB, AC and BC. Now to find what is RTP, required to prove here is ratio of areas of, what you can take it here, ratio of areas of area of triangle DEF is to area of triangle ABC. So this one we have to find it. Then what is the proof here? So let's going to take these two triangles should be, what you can write, these two triangles should be similar to each other. For that, here BC and BC and DE in the both triangles are similar, parallel to each other. So how you can say parallel to each other here is, so we can say that if you take here AB will be midpoints, right? So for that AB you can write as AD plus BD. So since AD will be equal to BD, why? Because these two are midpoints. So for that you can write it as 2AD, that is AB will be equal to 2AD. Then what you can write here is, here also AC will be equal to, so AC will be equal to 2AF, 2AE or 2AC. So AC and BC, let's take it 2AE. So here AD will be equal to half of the AB, and so let's going to take these two ratios. So if you take ratios of these two, so what you can write here is, let's going to take AD by, so in triangle AD by AB, AD by AB will be equal to AF, sorry, AE by, sorry, AE by AC, that will be equal to, you can get it as AD by AB. So AD you can write it as 2 half of the AB, correct? So AD by AB will be equal to AE by AC. Then what you can write, you can get it as 1 by 2. How we will get it as here is, so AD from this ratio we can write it AD to AB will be equal to into half, that will be equal to AD, that implies AD by AB will be equal to 1 by 2. So from this ratio we are taken. So from these two ratios, if the in two triangles ratios are similar, ratios are equal to each other, by converse of Thales theorem, basic proportionality theorem, converse of Thales theorem, then that too DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC. So the two are parallel. Then if two sides are parallel to each other, then what you can write it, let's going to take angles of these two. So let's consider these two angles. So if you consider these two angles, what you can write here, let's consider angle ADE will be equal to angle ABC, and angle ADE will be equal to angle ACB. So these are the two, from two angle, from AA similarity criterion, AA similarity criterion, what you can write, AA similarity criterion. So, but both triangles are similar to each other. So, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So, triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. So, if two triangles are similar to each other, then what you can write, areas of similar. So, by the theorem of areas of similar triangles, what you can write, area of triangle DEF by area of triangle ABC will be equal to squares of, so DEF, in that you can take DEF in the place of DE whole square by, so BC, that one you can take it as AC square. So any one side you can take it, any one side you can take it. So here BC square. So here DE square means what you can take, DE square. So here DE square is half of the BC square. Why? Because if the two midpoint theorem, so from midpoint theorem, midpoint theorem of triangles, if two midpoints joined on the side, that length of the line which is joined midpoints of other two sides will be equal to half of the third side. That will be equal to DE will be equal to half of the BC. So that is midpoint theorem. So DE square by BC square will be equal to half of the BC whole square by BC square. That is 1 by 4 BC square by BC square. BC square will going to cancel. Then what you will get? 1 by 4. So that is area of triangle DEF whole divided by area of triangle ABC. That is 1:4. This is the way of explanation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try to share with your friends and family members.